Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. And I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
Right now, I'm on my way to pick up a tripod. Hopefully, I'll be starting my podcast tomorrow. I have everything set. I just have to go pick up a tripod. So once I have that, I'm good to go. So apart from that, I would want to talk about, consistency. What exactly is consistency for me? Consistency is basically, doing something which sucks every single day. Why? Because the end result is something I'm interested in. The day-to-day shit, yeah, it's going to be fucked up, but then what is more important to you and what are you more focused upon. This is how I view consistency. Again, the people who I follow online or anywhere, they also speak a lot about this shit. So indirectly or directly, I may have taken up their approach, definitely, because the kind of shit I got after using their techniques and methods was insane. So I'm not gonna lie, consistency is one of the most important shit for me, at least. Why? Because I'll give you an example of where consistency really helped me. So daily I started off by reading 10 pages a day. Initially, during the quarantine, initial stages of quarantine, I started out by reading 10 pages a day. So after a month, I was done with one book. Actually, I read more than 10. But then my goal was 10. So I read around 3 books. And the shit I learned out of those 3 books was really helpful. Like, it really opened up, new paths or new ideology actually about certain topics. I read a lot of books on sales, marketing. So I got to know a lot more. I learned a lot. So that's when I was like, holy fuck, I don't hate reading. I just hate reading the shit which I was told to read in school. Then, I picked on one guy just skipped the fucking signal and this cop right here. So, yeah, so that way I realized I was interested in reading books. Basically, I was interested in reading books, especially about the topics which I can relate with. Autobiographies or marketing or sales or business development. These are interesting for me. So consistency is not a short-term play here. Again, it's the same shit. Where did I initially learn consistency is really in the gym. Really in the gym. Because even when I used to work out, so I don't fucking listen to music. Even in the initial days of working out, I always listen to, Arnold Schwarzenegger or some guy saying some motivational shit on the background. So in that, all they spoke about was, you have to be at it for a long time. So when I approached gym, I never looked at it as if, it's a short-term thing. So that's how I went at it, and that's how I approached every single day I was in the gym. So again, when I started working out, a lot of my friends also started working out. What happened, the consistency was different. Everybody has their own choices. So I stuck with that for a long time, and the results were pretty fucking evident. So that's how it's consistency is pretty obvious for me. It's like, you don't have it, you're not gonna do shit. If you have some fucking goal, without consistency and discipline, you can't fucking go get that. That's the whole point. Even the 75 hard challenge which I'm doing, I'm on day 25. I started first time after 10 days, I broke it, and then again now I'm on the 24th day or 25th day, and it's fucking tough. It's not that easy. Every single day, I'm having these thoughts like, yeah, fuck it, might as well start all over again. But then it's annoying as fuck to start all over again, so I'm just sticking to it. It's pretty easy. So this is how I do it. I now ensure, previously I was splitting the work, half of the challenge in the morning and half in the evening. But now I'm doing all of it before 10 a.m. itself. This way, I'm done with my shit and then I can do whatever I want. This is something which is really working out for me. So it's convenient also. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Again, consistency is fucking important. Very important. This is where, how can I tell it to you? This is where you'll understand if you really like it or not also. If let's just say you have too many goals, you can pick 3 goals and say stick to it. If you really are not feeling it after 3 months of doing it, 4 months of doing it, that means it was just a fucking fantasy or a desire. So you might as well do trial and error and figure out how can you again leverage consistency. If you like something good enough, you are willing to put in the little extra amount of effort you want to do. That's basic thing. For me, when I was working out, I really wanted to change my physique. So I was willing to put in the extra effort. So yeah, consistency is pretty basic like that. And yep, that should be it. Right now I'm at Panjagutta flyover. I'm going to some store right now. Podcast. I don't know who's going to be on first. Actually, I do know it, and I'm not telling you. Oh fuck! This phone went all the way there. I didn't see that. So, anyways, if I have my podcast tomorrow, it's going to be interesting. So I need somebody to help me out with the intro for the podcast. I'll have to create that. So hit me up. I'll need help with that. Bye bye.